It's not every day you see a car over 40 years old rolling out of a winery and feel the twinge in your neck as your head turns just a little too far. It's cars like the Corvette Stingray that help keep the passion for classic cars alive. So how well do you know your chrome? If you said it was a 1976 Porsche 911 Carrera 3, you'd be right. The classic 911 shape has held true for decades, starting way back in 1963. Some of you will be wondering just how you were supposed to pick the exact model. Well, it's the bumpers on this beast that are the dead giveaway. It seems we are surrounded by classic cars. We can't believe how many classic cars are still on the road, but we do know why. Classic cars hold special places in the hearts of so many. Memories of visits to the beach as a child, buying your first car, or getting into the seat next to Grandad as he warmed up the engine of his old clunker. Few mechanical things can evoke so many emotions and memories and give lovers of old metal a chance to relive the past, a past preserved in CC, classic cars.